Sunderland Big Slice, adapted from the Bureau Home Recipe Book, 19th edition, 1956. Bureau Rich Jam Cake. For this recipe I'm using 8 ounces of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 ounces of caster sugar, 2 ounces of Trex, 2 ounces of margarine, 1 egg which will be beaten, some jam, some red food colouring, and some icing sugar. First, mix the sugar in with the flour, and also the salt. Now rub in the margarine and the Trex. Until it looks like breadcrumbs. It's best to use hard margarine for the rubbing in, not soft margarine. That would be much harder. If you're not good at rubbing in, you can always use a food processor at pulse setting. There you go. You don't want to squeeze too hard when you're rubbing in the marginal Trex, otherwise you'll get stripper glitter clumping problems and you'd have to use a molecular sieve, and you don't want that. Now beat the egg. I didn't show myself breaking the egg because it makes Darren nervous. Now mix into a stiff paste with the flour, such like. Divide into 2 parts and roll out thinly using a rolling pin which I got from John Kirkwood, the famous northeastern cook. Try the jam. Honestly, this is a horrible recipe. When they said 14-year-old girls could do it without any experience, they lied. That's impossible. Icing sugar. Cold water. food colouring. Oops. Let's turn that sort of magenta pink. That's okay. And we shall leave that for a few hours to set. And now for the taste test. That's very good. That's a 9 out of 10. Much better than I expected.